30 minutes low-impact fat-burning home workout for beginner. Getting in shape doesn't require complicated workout routines and hours at the gym, especially if you haven't exercised in a long time. You can get rid of your excess fat just by exercising at home, and all you need is the proper workout that's simple to do, yet produces impressive results. There are 5 30-minute low-impact workouts in this video, specially designed for beginners looking to burn fat quicker and at home. You must pay attention and see how these exercises are done, because they are more impactful when done correctly. Do the following exercises in sequence. You can take breaks in between each exercise, but don't pause for longer than 15 seconds at a time. Once you complete all 5 exercises, go back to the top and do another set. Ideally, you'll want to be able to do this 5 times in succession, but stick with what you can do within 30 minutes. And to get the best results, you must do all 5 exercises in sequence for 30 minutes. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. 1. Sumo squats. Stand with your feet greater than hip width apart and your toes pointed out slightly. Slowly bend your knees and lower your butt towards the ground. At your lowest point, your thighs should be parallel to the floor. Hold this lowest point for 2 seconds before slowly rising to straighten your legs. Keep a steady pace as you repeat this movement as many times as you can within 1 minute. 2. Back lunge with high knee. Stand up straight with your feet around hip width apart. Place your hands at your hips for stability. Keep your left foot planted as you take a giant step back with your right foot. Bend your knees and lower yourself into a lunge. Hold this lowest position for 2 seconds before slowly bringing yourself back up. As your legs straighten up, swing your right leg and bring your knee towards your chest. Lower yourself back down into a lunge. Keep shuffling between a back lunge and a high knee as many times as you can for 30 seconds. Take a 15-second rest before doing the same for the left side. 3. Standing oblique crunch. Stand up straight with your feet around hip width apart. Place your hands behind your head. Bend your torso to the right as you lift your right knee. Your elbow must touch your knee. Lower your leg and straighten yourself back up. Do the same on the left side. Keep alternating between both sides until you've completed 1 minute's worth of standing oblique crunches. 4. Knee drive. Stand with your feet close together. Bend forward and step your right leg back so that you form a perfectly diagonal line from your shoulder to your toes. Clasp your hands together and hold them out at shoulder level. Push down with your hands as you drive your knee up. Bring your leg back behind you and your hands back at shoulder level. Repeat at a steady pace and do as many as you can within 1 minute. 5. Plank jacks. Get on all fours with only your palms and toes touching the mat. Keep your body as stiff as a plank and make sure your hips don't sag down. Kick both feet out on each side, landing just outside of the mat. Bring both feet back in and let them meet each other. Repeat this movement at a steady pace until you've completed 1 minute's worth of plank jacks. This 30-minute low-impact workout is easy on your joints and simple enough to follow as a beginner. Nevertheless, it was designed to be challenging to produce fast results, so don't worry if some parts seem difficult, or when you feel out of breath. Feel free to take a moment, but try your best to push through. If you persevere, you will be rewarded with visible results in no time. And please remember that healthy diets are critical when working out to burn fat, so make sure that your diet consists mainly of a low-carb, high-protein diet. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.